Hello GATE aspirants, welcome to part 12 of GATE General Aptitude series. Question 1. Arun and Aparna are here. Arun and Aparna is here. Arun's family is here. Arun's family is here. Which of the above sentences are grammatically correct? So Arun and Aparna plural. So are here is correct. And Arun's family is here. So 1 and 4. So here option B is correct, 1 and 4. Question 2. The mirror image of the above text from the x-axis. So from the x-axis we have to take mirror image. So it will be upside down. So P, then H will be same, then Y like this, then it will be L, then we have A like this, then X, I and S. So we have to check the one which is matching this one. So I can see option B is correct. Then question number 3. Two identical cube-shaped dice, each with faces numbered 1 to 6, are rolled simultaneously. The probability that an even number is rolled out on each dice is. So we have two sides. That means there will be 36 such combination. That is 1 1, 1 2, 1 3. Then here 2 1, 2 2, 2 3 up to 1 6. And here at 2 6 1. And this will be last one is 6 6. So there are such 26 combinations, and we have to check the ones for which an even number is rolled out on each dice. So both even. So that is possible when first is 2, then second can be 2 4 6. If first is 4, then second can be 2 4 6. And if first is 6, then second can be 2 4 6. So there are such 9 combinations possible. So that probability is 9 by 36, that is 1 by 4. So here option D is correct. Question number 4. These symbols are two operators on numbers P and Q such that P and circle Q, that is equal to P minus Q, and P plus sign Q is equal to P into Q. Then what will be this? So let us write all the things and then we'll replace it. So this sign means minus, so here it will be minus minus and here minus. And this sign means multiplication, so here we have multiplication. So this will be 9 minus 6 into 7, that is 42, minus 7 into 6 minus 5 is 1. So 7 into 1. Now 9 minus 42 minus 7. So that is equal to 9 minus 7 is 2. So 2 minus 42 is minus 40. So option D is correct for question number 4. Question 5. 4 persons P, Q, R, S are to be seated in a row. R should not be seated at the second position from the left end of the row. The number of distinct seating arrangements possible is. So if there are 4 people and 4 seats, then we can calculate total combinations. So here for the first seat there are 4 ways. For the second seat 3 ways, next 2 ways and 1 way. So total there are 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. That means 24 such combinations for this 4 people to sit on 4 seats. Now condition is R should not be seated at the second position. So let us find out the case or the number of ways in which R is sitting on second position. So if R is on the second position, then we have 3 seats left with 3 people. So this can be filled in 3 ways, 2 ways and 1 way. So there are such totally 6 combinations. And we want to subtract this way. So there will be total 24 minus 6, that is 18 ways in which R will not be sitting on the second position from the left hand side. So option C is correct. Then question number 6. On a scalar field, you travel 3 units east from a point. So let us take one point O and 3 units on east side. Next you travel 4 units south to travel a point P. So from here we'll travel point P. So let me draw it here. So we have one O point, then 3 on this side, then 4, and we will reach at point P. Then you travel from point P in the northeast direction such that you arrive at a point that is 6 units east of point A. So from O, it should be 6 units on each side. So 3 more. So this is the point. So this is first path, and then this is the third path. Next, you travel in the northwest direction so that you arrive at a point Q that is 8 units from north of point P. So this is point P, and on its north side 8 units, so 4 and 4 here. So this will be that point Q. The distance of point Q to point O in the same unit should be. Now this is a right angle triangle, this side is 3 and 4, that means this part will be 5 units. So option C is correct. Question number 7. The author said musicians rehearse before their concerts, actors rehearse their roles before the opening of a new play. On the other hand, I find it strange that many public speakers think they can just walk to the stage and start speaking. In my opinion, it is no less important for public speakers to rehearse their talk. Based on the above passage, which one of the following is true? The author is of the opinion that rehearsing is important for musicians, actors, and public speakers. That the rehearsing is less important for public speakers for that than for musicians and actors. That is not in the author is of the opinion that rehearsing is more important only for musicians and public speakers. The author is of the opinion that the rehearsal is more important for actors than musicians. So here option only option A is correct, because the author is saying that rehearsal is important for all musicians, actors, as well as public speakers. Question 8. Some football players play hockey. So if you consider football players, then some football players play cricket, and all cricket players play hockey. So all cricket players, they play hockey. Among the options given below, statement 1 that logically follows from the statements 1 and 2 above is: no football player plays hockey. So here football and hockey, they overlap. So this is not correct. Then some football players play hockey. This is correct. All football players play hockey. No. All hockey players play football. No. So only option B is correct. You just have to draw a Venn diagram to understand this kind of questions. Question 9. In the figure above, PQRS is a square. The shaded portion is formed by intersection of sectors of circles with radius equal to the side of the square and centers at S and Q. The probability that any point picked randomly within the square falls in the shaded area is. Now that probability will be equal to area of that shaded part upon total area of this square, and the total area will be r into r square. Now we have to find the area of this shaded region. So let us calculate this area first. This will be equal to area of that square minus area of this sector. So this area is equal to area of the square, that is r square, minus area of the sector. This part is 1/4 of a circle. So this will be pi r square by 4. So this area will be 1 minus pi by 4 into r square, this part. Now we want to find this shaded area. So a dash will be equal to this total area r square, area of the square, minus this shaded portion, minus 1 minus pi by 4 into r square. Again minus this portion, but both these portions will be same, so I can write here 2. So this will give you total area of the shaded portion. So let us take r square common. This will be 1 minus 2 minus 2 into minus pi by 4. So that is plus pi by 2. Now this area of shaded portion upon r square, that is the required probability, and that will be equal to pi by 2 minus 1. So here option C is correct. Question number 10. In an equilateral triangle PQR, So triangle is equilateral, that means all sides are same. Side PQ is divided into 4 equal parts. Side QR is divided into 6 equal parts. So 6 equal parts. And side PR is divided into 8 equal parts. The length of each subdivided part in centimeter is an integer. So this part, that is 4x, that will be equal to 6y, that will be equal to 8z. The minimum area of the triangle PQ are possible in centimeter square is. The condition is x, y and z all are integers and we have to find those integers. Now for that we just have to find LCM of 4, 6 and 8. So that will be 24. LCM of 4, 6, 8. That means x will be 6 because 6 into 4 is 24. Y will be 4 and z will be 3. So LCM is the length of this one side of this equilateral triangle. Now area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 into a square. So that is root 3 by 4 into 24 square. And that will be equal to 144 into root 3. So here option D is correct. So these were all the questions from GATE 2021 paper. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Keep learning.